Hello everyone. Today I will walking you through the code structure, approach and output of my teacher management application built with Next.js, TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. Let's start the overall structure. At the root of the project, you will find the configuration file like package.json, tsconfig.json and Tailwind CSS configs, which help up set up the development environment and styling. The main logic and UI components are organized into three key folders: app, components, and types. Inside the app folder, the most important file is page.tsx. This is the main entry point for the teacher management dashboard. Here I am using React functional component and hooks, especially use state to manage the active tab in the UI. At the top of the page.tsx, I imported several custom components: sidebar, teacher header, qualification card, schedule grid, tab navigation. These all are located in the components directory and are responsible for rendering different type sections of the dashboard. For demonstration purpose, I have created a mock teacher data object that simulates the data structure we accept from real backend. These include teacher personal information, a list of qualification, and their weekly schedule. The main component, teacher management, manage which tab is active. By default, it's set to schedule. Their helper function called render tab content conditionally render the schedule grid or a placeholder message depending on the schedule tab. The main component teacher manage I in main component page.tsx, the in the JSX layout, the dashboard is split into two main sections. Sorry. On the left hand side, we have sidebar for navigation. On the right, the main content area display the teacher header, two qualification card, one for private and one for group qualification, and a tab navigation. Below the tab navigation, the relevant content is rendered, such as the schedule grid. The component folder contain reusable UI element. For example, qualification card display a list of qualification filtered by type, and schedule grid show the teacher schedule in the grid format. The tab navigation component allow user to switch between different section like schedule or other future features. All the type definition, such as the structure of the teacher data, are stored in a type directory. This ensure type safety and better code maintainability. Styling is handled using Tailwind CSS, which allow for rapid and consistent UI development. The global.css file is both the app styles folder provide the base style for the application.